Good morning and welcome. Welcome, guys. First of all, I would like to start off by thanking the thousands and thousands of people out there who have not only emailed me over the years, but have said, "Hey, Sam, why don't you allow the entire world to see exactly what you guys do?" Not only to allow them to see what you do, but to show them so that they understand why the market works the way it does. And I figured, you know what? At this point, I think that's a great idea. And this is why we've gone basically what I call worldwide. No longer is it going to be a small little business, trading and training, but I'm going to blow this wide open. And you know why? Because I am sick and tired of watching the little guy take 3 or 4 or 5 courses before they come to me. Because what's happening is they're getting squeezed by people promising them things. Promising them things based on what I would call error. There are no promises in this business, ladies and gentlemen. The only thing you have in our business is you have a methodology, you trade the methodology, you must be disciplined. What you're looking at right here is our trades on Thursday, the 14th, 2013, November. Now, you're probably going to sit there and go, "Oh, look at this. That methodology, no losers. That's just a bunch of BS." If you understand the methodology, these trades that you're looking at here, the short right here, and yeah, the short could have been taken this candle, the candle here, doesn't matter, because there was something that set this trade up that said go short, go short, go short, go short. You learned that. We have 4 major setups. We have a power play, we have an S play, we have an RS play, and we have a ZL. And the trades are remarkable. Now, when you start out, are you gonna just sit there and just be able to take any trade you want just because, hey, I'm invincible? No. Are you going to be able to take trades and fully understand the methodology after a very short period of time? Yes. But confidence, is earned. And it's earned by you doing the right thing more times than not. You think this long trade down here, you think that's an accident? You think that's an accident? You think that's calling the bottom? We don't do any of that. It's not calling the bottom. There's a total 100% reason to take that trade. There's a full reason, an absolute reason to take that trade. But if you didn't take this trade, this RS here, there's no way you can take this trade. So then after this second trade, you had an opportunity to take the third trade. Now, if you did not take the second trade, the third trade maybe was your first trade, maybe your second trade, it doesn't matter. Because this third trade was a power play. And our power plays work 80+% of the time. Oh, I know, you heard that number so many times and all these other websites out there and people spewing out all of this garbage. And I would love to name all of these sites and all of these people that have nauseated me. In 22 years, I've seen everything. I see the websites go up, these elaborate $50,000, $100,000 websites. And I sit there and I just shake my head. And I go, wow, are people dumb enough to buy all of this garbage out there? It's like this new craze with this binary options thing. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? It's a joke. There is no get rich quick. You work hard. You understand why the market's doing what it's doing. I mean, if you can't figure out when the market gets back up here, that all of those retail traders, which are most of you people listening to this, are all selling, well, then you don't even have a clue what's going on in the marketplace. So the market must go up based on what happened over here. And what happened? Up, up, and away. Then we had another opportunity here on the fourth trade. And that was another power play. No, it's not a breakout. It's not a this. It's not a that. It's a power play. What's a power play, you ask? Well, it's something you would learn. What we do at futurestradingcoach.com is very simple. First of all, I'm Sam. I founded the company a long, long time ago. My goal is to make each and every trader the best trader they can be. There is zero reason why you should fail after being taught by me. The only way you can fail is if you quit. I can never stop somebody from quitting. You know, that is none of my vocabulary, quitting. But I teach you every morsel of this business. Why you're taking a trade, where you're getting out, how you're getting out, where to lighten up on your contracts as you're getting out. We micromanage, guys. We micromanage our entries and we macromanage our exits. In other words, when we're looking for an entry and they're clear cut, we are making sure we are as sure as possible that that's an entry. And that you can tell me why you got into a trade and entered, and you can tell me based on one of the setups. If you can't, and you say, well, you know, Sam, I was thinking about it and I got in because of this. And if it's not part of the methodology, then the answer is wrong. Okay, the answer is not right. It's absolutely 100% wrong. Look, we have a call room, and in the call room, that is specifically for individuals just to get a flavor. You don't learn anything. You're just hearing calls being made to go long or to go short, and they're all based on the methodology. But without knowing a hard-based methodology and just taking trades randomly, all that does is turn your stomach. I just want to make everybody a great trader. That's all I want to do. I mean, heck, I've reduced my fee. It used to be $9,997. I reduced it all the way down to $4,997. Some people would say, why? And I say, why not? I mean, if I could teach over the next 2 or 3 years, 3,000 to 5,000 people, it's going to be 3,000 to 5,000 happy people that are going to say, hey, Sam, thank you. Thank you for doing what you do. Now, do I get excited during the day? See, we trade from about 8:30 a.m. East Coast time to noon. Because my theory is if you have to trade after noon, after 12 noon, that's probably a problem. Unless, of course, you have another job and so on and so forth. But all the action takes place primarily before noon. So why would you want to trade in the afternoon? That says you didn't do your job in the morning. And we know that if you don't do your job and you're working somewhere, well, then they're going to fire you. Well, I'm not going to fire you because you have to hire me to teach you the methodology. Once you know the methodology, there's no coming back, and there is no going back. I will make you the best trader you can be. That I can promise you. Any other promises out there are useless. They may sound good, but they're useless. I will teach you how to read a chart like you're reading a map. I know no one else who can trade and understand the markets like me. No one. No one. Now, am I the best trader in the world? No. No, I'm not the best trader in the world. Do I understand the market better than anyone? In my opinion, oh my gosh, yes. Can I teach you how to read this market like you're tying your shoes? Oh, you better believe I can. You know, just contact us here at futurestradingcoach.com. You want to speak to me on the phone through Skype? It doesn't matter. I'll be more than happy to speak to you. I don't want to see you go through tens of thousands of more dollars just to hear the same thing. That it's easy, that's this, that it's that. You know, trading, if you're really good at it and you have a great methodology like we do, it is simple. But heck, it's not easy. You have to manage yourself. That's the most difficult part of this business, managing you. Let me get you to the next level. Let me get you to the next step. Let me help you become a success. I mean, sitting in a cubby all day, working for somebody, that really, really makes me feel ill. And thankfully, I've never really done that. And I don't want you to have to do it anymore. But until you get to the point where you can trade, and trade very well, and replace whatever you're currently making for at least a year, you can't just give up your job. That wouldn't be the responsible thing to do. I want to thank everybody for listening to me, and I hope this does bring a little light to what you're currently thinking, what you're doing. My job is to try to inspire you, like I have hundreds and hundreds of others, but it's to make you a great trader. Because at the end of the day, if your quality of time and your quality of life isn't where you want it to be, well, how good is your life? If you're working 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day, you come home and see the kids and the kids are sleeping, it doesn't make you feel good. It makes you feel horrible. Well, let's stop feeling horrible. Let's start feeling good. Thanks again, everybody, and I hope to see you on the other side. Take care.